Okay. All right. Okay, so we are back. Okay, so on this video, we're going to go over the Turnkey websites. I'm going to go actually into the admin panel. I'm going to show you all the cool stuff on how the Turnkey sites work. Now, please keep in mind, this is kind of like if you guys have been following the past few videos that I actually did, is how we're changing our agency around. So if you guys have an agency, maybe you were thinking about doing something like this, you can kind of see the way I'm actually doing it. So real quick, we're going to go into the admin section. I'm going to show you one of the Turnkey websites. It's really cool. These are awesome themes with some of the most custom admin panel with all the little buttons and switches that you possibly need. Almost overkill. There's that many options. So that's what somebody wanted to see. A couple of you were asking that, so I said let me just film a video on that to show you guys, and it gives me a chance to go over some of the other things that we're actually working on. Now real quick, I just want to say that I changed around my agency website. This happens to be my old agency website, and I changed it around the way it actually was like 10 years ago. It shows you how long I've been doing this. So I'm always changing things. So it was really hard. If you guys wanted to know, we have so much time on our hands now. So I always said there needs to come a time that this thing needs to be changed, and I always wanted to do this and finish it. So by any means it's not done, but it does have what we're actually trying to accomplish for now, and it shows some of the services that we actually are doing. So if you guys are into SMMA and you're selling websites to clients, this is going to come in handy because I'm actually offering the website super cheap, or you can just purchase the theme from me, download it, easy to install, and you could put it on your own hosting or get hosting from me. Okay, so let's just jump right into this. No fancy intro. I'm just going to show you some of the cool stuff. So as you can see in my background, we are on Market Website Design. Here it is here. So when you come across this website, this is my agency site, and you can see I've changed it around totally. And it was hard because I mean I'm not done yet, but I mean we changed. Like I got rid of so many things, just things that are outdated. You have to do that if you're running a website for over 10 years. It just needs to be done. So right now we click on Turnkey websites. I'm going to show you how the websites are actually offered. So you just go here, you'll see a whole bunch. So it's just going to say add the cart. No matter what you click on any of these, it's just going to go to the next page. It's just going to give you the landing page for the site. So if you guys are new to this and you just want a website and you don't want to configure anything, it's except for content, you still have to add your own content. A lot of people that don't know websites, they think that the company that's building it somehow or another can just think out of thin air of what you guys want. We can't do that. Okay, that's one of the reasons why we offer turnkey websites. We give you the whole website. It's actually working with not all the pages, but the main structures there. You'll see what I mean as I continue on, and I will answer the questions that I have written down right here. This is you can see this pad, some of the questions that came in. I just want to make sure I address those. Okay, so you can see when you come to the landing page, it's going to show you what they come with. This is really cool. I don't think you're going to find anybody else offering so much for the price. We're actually only charging $199 for the setup fee, as you can see on my screen, $45 a month. Now, if you don't want to pay for hosting, that's the hosting and maintenance. Now, if you want to do this yourself, just go ahead and download the theme. Many people don't have time to sit there and build websites. A lot of people, I do want to say, like back in the day or even now, I always hear somebody say WordPress is easy. Somebody told me anybody can build a WordPress site. That is so not true. Yeah, you can figure out hosting and drop in a WordPress site, but if you want to build a custom WordPress website that does custom things and all that, you're going to need experience. You're going to need at least 3 years experience to do something totally custom. And if you work on this every day, maybe you can accomplish this in six months. But somebody who doesn't have any experience and just thinks they're going to go in there and understand hosting and understand just the things that we take for granted as builders, no way. So I've been through that with many clients where somebody told them it was easy and they're like, this is not easy. They couldn't even get past hosting. I mean, that's just how confusing it can be. They couldn't even figure out plugins. They get stuck. They just can't do anything. So we do all that for you. We get the website up and ready, and if the more you want, if you guys want more custom things, let us know and we'll do a custom build out for you. It's not on the website yet. Some of my old content is. I have so many like things that we were offering in the past, but we're changing it to the more modern version, okay, if that makes sense. But when you guys land here, let's go back on screen here. Well, we're still here, but I mean, just let me just show you. Follow my pointer here. You can just click here where it says live demo. It's going to show you whatever website's here. Now let me show you how nice these websites are. Let's go into one really quick here, and you can see this is a interior design website. I'll scroll slow, and of course when you're filming, things jump around or kind of glitter, well, not glitter, but just you know how they just jump. It's hard just to show things when you film. So hopefully it lets me show you what I'm trying to show you. And let me keep going up in here. You can see how nice these are. This is just one. I mean, we have 250 of these. Okay, and this is built from friends of ours that are really good coders. They're on Theme Forest, and I mean, these guys are the best of the best of master coders. So these are really super nice themes. Okay, so that's one of the websites here. You can see the sticky header. As I start to scroll down, you can see how that drops, and just it's like transparent. So these things are, let me just say, like, I've been building websites for years, and I'm really picky about the themes that I work with and the companies and the coders, programmers that we work with. These guys are some of the best that I've ever seen in the past 15 years. I think that I've been working with websites ever since WordPress came out in 2003, I think, and we've been there since the start. Nobody has done a website this nice, ready to go. These are really cool. The way this is done is amazing, the way the backend works. So these install super quick. I've never seen anybody do what I'm about to show you. So let's go ahead and go into the back. Enough of all this. Let me see if I'm missing anything. Let me go answer some of the questions while we open up the back end. So this is what this video is about anyhow. So we're going to talk about what is inside the admin section here. So we are inside one of the demos right here. So if you guys are brand new to WordPress and you're wondering, well, what is all this stuff? You can see on my screen here. This is right here on the left for the people that are totally new. This is your WordPress admin panel, and to the right, all this stuff right here is what controls this theme and all the functions that work with it. So just so you guys know. And if we go to the very top here, demo and importer, you can see that we have one. This is the agency. Let me make sure that I have this running. Yeah, here it is here. I skipped a step. Let me go back. Let me just show you what one of the other themes looks like. And keep in mind, this is in edit mode. So it's open under admin. So you can see that the admin section's open. But look at how nice these themes are. These are just so cool. So when we say it's installed, what you guys get is this, what you actually see. You get all the images, everything's ready, and you get some of the standard links that come in here, and they're actually working pages. You just have to change the content that goes in there. You guys put whatever you guys want. Super easy to do. Don't overthink the stuff. Super easy. Type out what you guys want to do, and then just drop it into where it says content. We'll do a video on it to show you guys how to, for the people that are totally new and don't understand how to even drop in content, we'll do a video on that to help you. I do have some, they're really old, they're like 10 years old, so I'll probably have to do more on content. I think some of my original videos, it's pretty much the same. It really hasn't changed with WordPress. So you can see that. I'm going to scroll up and down again. This is an agency theme. Okay, and keep in mind, I have 250 of these, of different themes for almost any niche possible out there. So these are really, really cool. And hopefully you guys can hear my mic. I'm using the Logitech, the headset, because my other mic, my standard one, the clip-on mic's broke. So I'm using this, but actually this makes the voice sound good still. Probably not as good as my clip-on, but I think you guys can hear me. Okay, so let's go back into the admin section. As you can see here, now just look at all these like different things that you guys can do. So we go under construction. You can choose one of these if you guys want. Really cool. You don't really see too many themes that offer this, so that's really awesome. And then right here we have theme layout, box layout, single page. So you can do that custom thing where sometimes you see a single page website and you just click on it and it just starts to jump to different sections on the same page. You can do that with this with one click. You have your header section, you got your main menu, page title. There's so much that you can do on this. It's just, I'm going to click on a few. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's no reason to. I just want you guys to see. One of the main things here is the sidebar. Like you can choose this one, the two sidebars, left side, right, or just no sidebar. That's what you see right there. It's just blank. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up and down. You can just see how many other things that you can do. Change the colors, the links. I mean, they didn't miss anything. Footer. You can choose different footers, and depends what theme you guys are on. It's going to offer different things that you guys can actually do. So there it is here. So once you guys get the theme from us, you don't have to try to build this, but if you guys want to change things around, I'm just showing you how you can go ahead and change whatever you guys want to change. Okay, so if we go to appearance, you can do all this stuff too. There's just a whole bunch of things. I'll scroll up and down and you guys can see a bunch of stuff here. It's never ending. Look at this, and just a bunch of stuff. All right, back to single post page, and just little things that you can do. WooCommerce, okay, it does work with that, and you can sell stuff on your sites. Social media, you can do that. Just drop them in, lights them up. It goes under widgets and it goes under the header if you want it to go. There's just different areas in every theme, and it goes in the footer. So everywhere social is actually going to show. Sticky bar, that's on the top right there. It's all kinds of things. Okay, Google Analytics and AdSense, you can go ahead and drop in that. Custom code for the people who are coders. Okay, JS code and CSS code. There it is there. Video tutorials, FAQ, import, export. That's all that's left. And you also have all the buttons over here, the little links to choose there. So that's just a quick rundown in what you guys can do with this. Let me try to answer this real quick. Let me see. Go over what comes with the Turnkey packages. Okay, somebody wanted to know what's exactly offered on the Turnkey. So the easiest way for me to do that, let's just go here and you guys can see here what's included. Okay, so let's just say it doesn't matter which theme you guys choose. So if you guys were looking at a Turnkey, whichever one you guys want, and keep in mind, just choose one to find out what we have. Just go ahead and put your name, put the type of business and niche that you're actually looking for, and then send it over, and then one of us will actually get it and we will send it back and tell you. We're actually going to send you back the actual working demo link, and you can just check it out, see if you like it, and I'm sure you will because they're awesome. Okay, so the way it works is, here's what comes with the website. So you get the Turnkey website, whichever one you guys are actually doing. You can put for the people who are new, it's WordPress. So when you get it, it's on. We're just going to give you the login. You guys are ready to go. And it's a monthly fee, and that covers maintenance and hosting. That does not cover us to go ahead and work on your site. So we always let everybody know that that's up front. Whatever changes you need or something, we don't do any of that. These are turnkey websites. You have to know what you're doing with WordPress if you're going to get involved with this, or ask somebody to help you if you don't want to do anything, because a lot of people say it's easy. So if it's easy, go ahead and ask one of your friends. If you want us to actually do it and drop in the content, we can drop in the content and get all your pages going and get everything, but for an extra charge. But if you guys want to do it yourself, it's super easy. But you can do unlimited pages. What that means is if you see the website when you first get it, it's going to have 3 or 4 pages. The standard, like they're just regular pages that says contact us, services, or something at the very top of the navigation. Okay, so you're going to get a custom theme. I'm just going to read it down. custom admin control panel. We're going to install the plugins for you. We're going to set up the contact form. So we're going to ask you for a few things. Let us know, okay? Images you guys are going to get. So these are blog ready for the people who want to just start blogging. You should already know how to work WordPress. So if you already have like a WordPress theme and you just wanted to upgrade, and maybe you already have hosting, just ask us for the download theme files and we're going to send them over. And those right now are going for, on this video it's going to change, $45 for the download. So you get to own those for 45 bucks, okay? So you can't sell them, but it's just, that's what they go for, and the price is going to go up. This is just what we're doing now, the specials that we're giving out, okay? So if you get a package from us, the websites basically are set up with a lot of the H1 headers and many things for basic SEO. It does not mean that we're going to do a bunch of SEO on your site. We do offer different services, and I'll go over that later. These are just the plugins here, the WordPress security, spam blocker, all this stuff here. It's built on Bootstrap, WordPress technology. It's all drag and drop builder, okay, and it does come with the sticky header and mobile responsive, of course. And it says SEO optimized. That's just because the way the websites are built. Once you put your content in, the way it's set up, it's automatically going to start getting great SEO, and it comes with hosting. So that's the way it works. And for you to see a demo, just look at the image here and then click where it says demo, and it'll drop right into it, and it just appears and you can see it. This is a live working demo. Okay, so that was what this video I wanted to go over. So let me see. I'm trying to answer what everybody wanted to know. Hold on, let me just see that I am. Yes, we do offer SEO. Somebody wanted to know if we can do that. We can put the content in. We don't got the pages up yet for you guys to go ahead and fill out the forms, but we will get those as soon as possible. Will the price go up? Yes. As soon as we get super busy, then we have to raise it. It's just super, like, I don't like to use the word cheap. So it's inexpensive right now because we're just trying to give a deal to everybody. If you were to go get a website that's totally custom, these are custom WordPress themes, you're going to pay a lot more, especially for one that's turnkey, ready to go. It's like somebody else would probably charge you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500, even with a basic website that's actually empty. That's just what they go for. That's what we used to charge when we brought our prices way down. Okay. We still offer custom builds? Yes, but we don't have, like I'm saying, the pages up for that, but we should soon. Okay, we have our old ones, but we want to change everything around, and we're just trying to do custom prices for pretty much everything. Okay, but just send over on the, send it over in form. So that's pretty much, that's what everybody's asking. Just a few questions here and there. So hopefully I did answer what you guys wanted to know. If you guys wanted any other questions answered, just go ahead and ask me in the comments, or click on Ask Rob on Smart Profit Money. You'll see the link on my site where it says Ask Rob. And if you haven't yet, smash the like button. Okay, so I have really been working super hard. Like, everybody always wonders, what do you guys do? Like, people that do all this website stuff, like, what do you guys work on? It seems like we're just over here, like, I don't know. People always ask me, like, what are you actually working on? This is what I'm working on. It's very time consuming to change an existing website that was fine and throw away things that was ranking #1 for the keywords for things that we were offering. But when things get outdated, you just have to throw everything away if you want to like update your whole entire site. So that's what I did after almost 10 years. That's how old this site is. So some of the services that we do offer, somebody was actually asking, and here it is here, SEO services. We do have that here. And somebody was saying, do you have a one-time fee? Yes, right here. So when you come here and you see our SEO services, there's one here for $4.95. That's a one-time fee. If you don't know too much about SEO, you can learn this stuff on your own. But if you're just in a hurry or just lazy and you want to get something done, you can read what's here and read up on it, Google it, and then you'll understand what this means. And this is powerful stuff for one time. So what that means is we're going to do it one time. Will it last, or would you have to update things? Yes. In the future, yes. But just by doing this alone, it's really going to help your site out a whole lot. If you want major stuff done all the time, right now we're offering this for $14.95 per month. This is major stuff here, and this is monthly, so that's per month. We're going to add another few packages here just to help out everybody, because I want to have one that's in the middle as well. I do have it, but it's not actually listed. So that's what I said. That's what I mean about changing all this stuff around. There's so many things that we're trying to do, and we're trying to go from page to page just to make everything make sense, since we have so much time on our hands right now. Okay, so let's see, let's go back over here to the site. You guys saw what they look like. They're super nice. I showed you 2 of them this time. You can see that, right? And if we go to interior design, here it is here. Just look how cool these images. If you didn't see that the first time, I'm gonna do this one more time. Look at this. When I scroll down, it's just amazing. Hopefully the videos, you know, letting you guys see all this stuff. And yeah, I mean, these are really nice. So yeah, they're all turnkey. You guys just want to get something done, look at what we actually offer here. This is some of the most I should say popular ones that people want. So just go ahead and click here. Just because it says add to cart, don't worry, it's going to drop right into a landing page. It's just going to show you what the site is. You can go ahead and click on the demo and read what they come with, and then if you want it, click add to cart. If you have any questions before, you can hit contact us or go to Smart Profit Money and contact me as well. You'll find all the links under the video in the description. So hopefully I didn't miss anything. I'm trying to make sure that I don't forget. Sometimes when we film videos, we forget to talk about certain things, and I'm trying not to. I'm just didn't get that much sleep, tired, but trying to get this done. So that's the best price that we got for them. There it is here. Don't forget, go to the home page right here, drop in your name, type of niche that you guys are in, send it over. And like I said, we're going to stick to this super low price. I mean, this is super low. I mean, it's just, normally we would charge for even a basic one anywhere from $600 to $800 for a basic, you know, something super simple, and that's what these are. So they're done. You get all the images, you get everything. Okay, I don't want to go on and bore you guys, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, thanks for watching.